Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from myppctraining.com, and today I wanted to talk about what is CTR or click-through rate, how does it work, all of that stuff. So basically, this is going to be a very quick video because it's not that crazy difficult to understand. Click-through rate is when you're running an ads campaign, it's the percentage of a time that somebody clicks on your ad versus the impressions that was shown. So if we look at our campaign here, our white label campaign, we have our clicks, our impressions, and our click-through rate. So our click-through rate is 12.36%. Our ads have shown 364 times for our desired targeted keywords. Out of those 364 times, 45 people clicked on the ad, which equals out to 12.36% of people who clicked versus the impressions. So if you hover over it, gives you a quick description here. Click-through rate, CTR, measures how often people click your ad after it's shown to them, which can help you understand the effectiveness of your ads. CTR is calculated by dividing the number of clicks your ad receives by the number of times your ad is shown. Okay, and then it gives you an example. If you have 5 clicks and 1,000 impressions, and your CTR is 0.5%. So 12.36% is really awesome click-through rate. Ideally, you want to be over 5% for your campaigns. Bare minimum, you want to be 2%, and anything below 2%, I would just pause your ads because they're not working. Okay. Now, even more important than click-through rate is, out of your 45 clicks, how many of those clicks actually became leads for your business. All right. So you can see here 17 of ours. So that means our conversion rate's at 38%, which is really awesome. And I just made a video on conversions, but I'll touch briefly on that. When you're running your AdWords campaigns for a search lead generation campaign, you always want to have your ads converting at 25% or higher. That should be your benchmark, and you should work all of your post-click stuff should be done. And what I mean by that is all of your landing page changes to bump conversion rates and stuff like that should be done to try and get at least over 20%. You ideally want to be 25%. We want 1 out of every 4 people turning into a lead that visits our landing page when we're running AdWords traffic. But I hope that kind of clears up what actually CTR is and how it works. And then I kind of went off track there on conversion rates because that's equally as important as CTR. CTR and conversion rates go hand in hand. They're very important metrics when running a paid search campaign. So keep that in mind. All right. Sorry the video's so quick. I just don't really have much more to add than the basic definitions of what it is and how it works. I can't really elaborate more than that. But if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We do videos daily now, multiple videos a day. So we have a lot of cool stuff coming out. And check out the links in the description below this video. I dropped a link to one of our free guides where we give you some quick optimization tips on how to turn around a sinking AdWords campaign. I think you'll find it useful. All right, guys, I'll see you in another video.